Our floating home for the next 3 nights is the brand new Motorship Tamr, an elegant river cruise vessel perfect for a leisurely cruise on the Nile. It provides all the amenities a modern traveler might expect in a comfortable and unpretentious setting. The main floor includes a lobby, a small coffee bar, and an adaptable lounge that is used as an evening reception area and bar. The bottom floor has a small television room, a shop, and the ship's main buffet restaurant. Ample sitting areas are found all over the ship, and for those that need it, it does offer an elevator. A health club and fitness center are available for guests with a treadmill, a few bikes, and a resistance machine. And just down the hall, you'll find the Chef's Restaurant, an elegant, high-end eating experience with an open kitchen and fantastic views of the Nile. Making our way to the top of the ship, you'll find the sun deck, pool, and bar. A generous amount of seating means that any time of day, you can make your way up here and relax while you simply watch life on the Nile go by.